everyone, it's Elsie. Welcome to my channel. I got a question asking how do I create the girl avatar to use in my video. So with this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own avatar and use it on CapCut. Make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm to support my channel. Now let's get started. First, you need to download the app Zepeto, how do you pronounce it? Open the app after you download it. If you are a first-time user, it would ask you to set up your character. To change the look of your character, you can click on the character icon. As you can see here, there are many different clothing that you can select from as long as you have enough coins. You can click on this icon here to change the body shape, the hairstyle, and all the look of your character. After you are done, then you can click on save. If you don't have enough coins to buy the clothing that you want, there are also free ways that you can earn coins, which is to do quests. So there are many different quests that you can do. If you click on lucky, there are also other ways that you can earn coins by watching ads. Now let's use the character to create different animation that we can use in video. So you would click on create, then click on photo booth. As you can see here, there are many different types that you can use from. The one with the camera icon is the one that has animation. If you see it without the camera icon, that means it's just a picture. You can also click on the filter function here, and you can select how many members that you want to use and what type you want to use. And it would narrow down your choice. Let's select this one here. Does anyone familiar with this one? So it's a crab dance played by Lisa. So you can click on Lisa if you follow her on here. So it will use Lisa's character instead. Since this is animation, we would want to add a background to it. In this case, we're going to use a green color. You can also use a blue screen or red screen as long as your character doesn't have a similar color to it. You can always zoom in the character or zoom out the character by using two fingers to pinch in or pinch out. Then you can select here if you want to apply filter to your character. Add sticker to it if you want. There are many different kinds that you can use. You can also add text as well. So after you're done making your character, then you can click on save. As you can see here, there's a code show up here. If you don't want it to be show up, you would have to turn off. I'm going to show you how to do that. So to turn off the watermark icon, you can click on Profile, go to Setting, Personal Information and Content, then make sure this one is off. So with animation one, you save it with green screen, but with picture one, you can just save it like that without background. You can resize it to how you like it, and once you are happy, you just do the same thing, save it. So that's one way how you can use your avatar to create animation. Let me show you another way to do it. You can click on camera. With the camera function, you can add expression to your character. You can click on gesture if you want a different style. You can always zoom in or zoom out with the character. If you just want to save this as a picture, you can change the background to transparent. To make this as a picture, you can just click on this icon here. And then click on save. However, if you want to use as an animation, you want to make sure to change the background to green screen. And then you would hold on this icon till it starts recording. And then you can let go of it. And then you can click on it again after you are done recording. And then you can trim it if you want. So you can move it to the part where you want it. And then you can just save it. Now let me show you how you can use this on CapCut. Now go to CapCut. Open the project that you want to use the avatar. Then you can click on Overlay, Add Overlay. Then you can import the character that you have created. You can always crop it if you want. And you can click on the green screen video, then go to chroma key, select the green color, and then adjust the intensity. And then you can adjust the character to where you like. So that's how you can add in the animation avatar into your video. Remember, we also make one without the animation. Let me show you how you can import that. You can do the same thing, import as overlay, or you can import as a stickers. So you go to stickers, click on the picture icon, and then you select the avatar we just create. If you add the avatar through stickers, you can also add animation to it. So click on animation. I like to use loop animation, and you can select the one that you like. Adjust the speed. So that's how you can add animation to the picture avatar. I hope this video gives you an idea on how you can create your own avatar and create animation to use it in your video. I hope you will have fun creating your own character. If you enjoyed this video, please consider like and subscribe to support my channel. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.